All right, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And once again, this is Bisho Shanteno. And for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin. Etong may halong sports, may halong showbiz, at saka may halong somehow politics. No? Ito ay patungkol sa post ng champion natin, the only one champion natin sa BKB, no other than Rolando D. All right? So, lately, I think I was actually made this post the other day. Um, Meron dito kung makikita nyo, ipapalaki natin guys, no? Palalakin ko lang. Yan, yan. Yan guys, yan ang pinost ni Champ Rolando D. Dahil nga, merong ano, kumbaga, merong maraming nag-comment, no? Dito nagsimula yan guys, sa etong kay Chad at saka kay Apple. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala kay Chad tsaka kay Apple, eto yung isang basketballistang bata na 18 anyos sa sa basketball university anong school ba 'yon? Basta 18 years old siya guys, no. Is a college student, a basketball player sa isang college na school o college university. And then etong si Apple is I think she is a sport journalist on that league or in the other league. And yun nga, dahil nga 33 years old 'tong babae na 'to tapos si Chad 18 years old, maraming tumaas ang kilay. Especially doon sa woke at saka sa kakamping. Marami katulad niyan, una, si Gay Pineda na sobrang ingay sa social media, puro ano naman, puro kumbaga puro mga ampaw yung mga pinagsasabi. Eto rin si, Nico David na akalain mo ginagatasan yung ganitong issue, pero kung pag-uusapan naman yung issue ng iba, ay tingin ko mga ampaw nga, eh, kasi utak kakamping, eh. Yun na parang kumbaga they are matalino pero mga woke, eh. Iba kumbaga baliktad ang pag-iisip, eh. Sayang ang talino pero baliktad nga lang, 'di ba? So yun dun nagsimula. Maraming nagtataas ang kilay dahil nga not morally dahil nga mas bata yung lalaki. So yun ang reason bakit kumalat. Na ngayon nag-post dito si Champ Rolando D, sinabi nga niya na, actually he never say it, but the way he post that, context in social media is questioning, 'di ba? So he said, "Wait, so sinabi niyo ba Chat and Apple dating ay morally wrong? Pero love wins 'pag si Vice at Ion?" So eto guys 'no, dito natin makikita if how they are going to defend, especially itong mga kakamping 'no, how they are going to defend Vice and Ion on this type of question. Well, he never make a statement. This is just a question. So kaya nga that's why I highly recommend 'no, na babasahin natin yung mga comment dito sa post ni Champ para makita natin yung mga halong-halong reaction 'no. Eto, una, may nagsabi, I think it because of the age, uh Vice and Ion started dating when Ion was 28, so the age gap is irrelevant. So, hindi niya nakuha yung konteksto, eh. I don't know if he had the idea about the between Chad and Apple, no. I don't think he have the idea that the reason why he have this kind of meron siyang ganitong klaseng, um, statement. Then, of course, Rolando D responds to that uh, comment. He said 18 is an adult. Yes, that's the facts. 'no? 18 is already an adult, 'no? So, eto may sumagot, ah, kana kana makipagtalo ka diyan lahat ng supporters at member ng LGBTQ may sakit. Grabe naman. Well, I cannot say no because a lot of them, meron nga akong mga kakilalang ganyan medyo iba yung pag-iisip talaga. Even they normal, pero the way they think is very different, 'no? Ano pa, etong si Marco de Guzman sabi there is no eto Yexing, eto may respond na sinasabi na 21 ang adult sa lalaki. Really, this is seryoso ba 'to? Etong etong ano na 'to, um, statement na 'to, etong sinasabi niya na 21 ang adults sa lalaki. Ano 'to, dibu? 18 sa babae, 21 sa lalaki? No, 18 years old is legally adults o legally yeah, tama, is a legal age based on our ano, batas. So, hindi naman puwedeng sabihin natin yung 21 is already an adult, 'no, while 18 is not. Ewan ko lang, ewan ko kung anong nasa isip nito. Oh, eto ngayon, hiningan siya ng isang nag-comment, sinasabi na, "There is no 21 sa batas." Ano dude? Oh, Debo, 'di ba? Meron Brad sinasabi na sabi niya, 18 is an adult bro legally and morally. Oh, tama, nag-respond din si Champ, pinandigan niya, sabi niya, meron nga daw. Ngayon hiningian siya ng ano, ng source. Ilang oras na ba, 10 hours na nakalipas wala siyang nakita, nga. So pinipilit nila, okey? Eto, tingnan natin, so must prefer grooming in question. Um, both consenting adult, both families are okay, oh. Eto nga guys 'no, eto lang masasabi ko, regarding naman sa concern na 'yan, depende kasi, depende kasi on what you believe. If you think, you are a, non-religious person, then ay di mo you will not going to incline on this kind of thinking o belief na mas moral pa ang dalawang lalaki kaysa babae at lalaki na yung age gap is malayo, especially sa lalaki na mas bata, 'di ba? So, eto, one of the example na lang, yung mother ng champion natin na si Manny Pacquiao, hindi nagtataasan ng kilay, 'di ba? Sinasabi na mas bata yung boyfriend ni Mommy D, tapos si Mommy D medyo ano, not medyo but talagang ano na, senior na, 'di ba? Marami din nagtataasan ng kilay. The reason why nagtataasan yung kilay nila because they thought probably the guy ay ginasabi na pinagpeperalan si Mommy D, 'no? But wala na tayong magagawa dun if that's their decision because both of them are adult, 'no? Now, in this case dito kay Chad tsaka kay Apple, yun nga dahil nga 18 years old pa, sinasabi nila, 'no, morally wrong kasi 33 years old. Tapos sino yung nagko-comment, 'no? Yung mga woke, yung mga bad, 'no, yung mga nasa kakamping, kadalasan talaga kakamping, 'no, yung mga influencer katulad nila Gabe tsaka ni Nico David, 'yan. They disagree on that relationship pero agree sila sa relationship ni Vice Ganda tsaka Ayon, ah. So, saan napaka-double standard 'pag gano'n, 'no? I'm not I'm not making this video para kay to no to go against or to say something about or not agreeing about the relationship between Ion and Vice ganda. It's not about that. This video is about pagiging double standard ng mga influencers, especially yung mga woke influencer at saka yung mga kakampwet, 'no? Yun ang ano ko, yun ang ano ko dito, talagang nasasagwaan ako sa mga pagka-double standard nila, 'di ba? So, me, as a believer, o as a Christian, 'no, as a believer of Christian, guys, for me, morally, dito kay Chat tsaka kay Apple because they both, 'no, they are in the legal age and at the same time, babae at lalaki. Now, if you're going to ask me about Vice and Ion, this is morally wrong, 'di ba? And a lot of people seeing this or try to push this kind of agenda that it is normal. Try to imagine this, I've saw some posts, 'no, sa school, there's a big tarpaulin, 'no? There's a big tarpaulin about LGBTQ, educate them, teach our children about the LGBTQ or LGBT barbecue, 'yun. So, ah, I'm not disrespecting them about their community, no, but I'm I am just disrespecting those LGBTQ member try to push the agenda. Marami akong kaibigan na nasa community nila, pero they are not trying to push that kind of agenda na ipipilit nila. They know saan sila lumugar o saan sila lulugar, 'no? And they know how to, kumbaga sinasabi natin na lumugar, yeah. They know how to put theirself in the place. Kasi nga, um, this matagal na 'tong issue na 'to, eh, 'no? Eto lang lumalakas, they pushing this agenda not because, um, nadi-discriminate sila. And sometimes we notice as well that politician are using them because they are a growing community, 'di ba? They try to push this agenda not only because they have the right, wala silang, kumbaga they need the rights, 'no? They have pinagkaitan sila ng ng privilege o kumbaga yung katwiran sa komunidad natin, sa lipunan natin, where in fact parehas lang 'yan. We treat them equally. There are a lot of member of LGBTQ member, 'no, mga miyembro nila who is actually really successful without claiming or without demanding to the public and to the government na kailangan nila 'to, okay? So, I'm against with that, 'no? I'll be honest, eto kay si Champ Rolando din nagtatanong 'to, eh. So, ako na sasagot nito. Um, Morally wrong kay Vice tsaka kay Ayon para sa'kin, oo. Pero yung pinaka-hate ko lang talaga etong mga influencer na napaka-double standard, napaka-double standard. Now, sasabihin nila okey lang ako kay Vice ganyan, ganyan, tsaka kay Ayon. Tapos ito kay Chad Apple hindi, 'no? Ewan ko lang talaga kung saan nilagay yung utak nila. Sabihin mo natin sige mas matalino kayo in the different aspect, but let's let's face the facts na you're trying to push something that which is not right. Hmm. You don't believe what we believe, but what you believe is a non-existent in the past. Hmm? It was actually they that what you believe in the past was, I mean, what you're trying to push was actually condemned since in the past pa. Before Christ come, bago dumating si Kristo, that kind of activity was already condemned. So, ayaw ko lang talaga, unang-una, no hate naman, no hate. We understand. Like I said, I have no hate sa mga LGBTQ, 'no. Dito lang sa mga woke na double standard influencer na they're trying to push the this kind of agenda to other, and even grooming those kids, no, especially in the school, no. And yung mga ganong klaseng tao, yung mga ganong klaseng LGBTQ member, tatawagin ko sila ng LGBTQ barbecue. Oh, katulad yan, si Gabe, member daw siya ng LGBTQ. Oh, ay pati rin nitong si Nico David, member din daw siya ata, eh. So, yung mga tinatawag natin na LGBTQ barbecue, 'no? There's a lot of successful people on that community, pero they're not demand. Hindi sila nagde-demand. Now ngayon, dahil nga nasama si Vice at Ayon, dahil nga, um, what we call this, dahil nga sa dahil nga sa morally wrong o kung ano ba yung moral na relasyon, 'di ba? Eto ba yung age ngayon, ewan ko kung asaan na yung katagang na age doesn't matter, kung applicable pa ba 'yan? I think applicable pa 'yan. Pero eto, applicable pa kaya 'to, etong sex doesn't matter? You guys, put that on the comment section, 'no, kung agree ba kayo sa sex doesn't matter? Para na tayo ng, mga hayop niyan. Oh, 'di ba? Eto nga sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao, pero hindi niya na humingi siya ng pasensya, pero hindi niya babawiin yung talaga kung ano yung sinasabi niya, 'no. Hindi niya puwedeng bawiin yun. Kasi nga yun ang paniniwala, kasalanan yun, yun ang ano niya, 'di ba? So, again, the question here, if it is morally wrong or not, saan ba yung mas may moral, ang relasyon ni Chad at Apple o kay Vice at Ayon? Saan dito, 'no? Kung kayo ay nasa LGBTQ member, tingin niyo kung tama ang relasyon nila Ayon o ano, comment kayo, 'no? Kung kayo naman ay sang-ayon kay Chad Apple, then ipaglaban natin 'yan kasi nga future ng mga kabataan natin 'to ang madadali, 'no? Mahihirapan na tayong mag-multiply kasi ika nga wala nang magmu-multiply. Hmm. No, eto malawak 'to, guys. To be honest, 'no, in this kind of discussion talaga, sobrang lawak nito. Sa sobrang lawak nito, guys, umaaabot ka sa pulitika. And then once umabot ng pulitika, alam naman natin kung sino yung nasa pulitika na tino-tolerate ng ganitong klaseng ano, agenda. Imagine Sogi Bill, they're trying to push Sogi Bill. Now, in fact, all of us have already, may rights. All of us have equal rights na, men and women, 'no? They are trying to push the agenda to put bathroom, 'no? Um, ma Kumbaga ibang CR, ibang ano, ibang tawag diyan, comfort room, 'no? Meron pang mga tinatawag na pronoun. 'Pag umabot 'to kay Ayon o Vice Ganda, etong post ni Champ Rolando D, kasi, ano, nagtre-trending na rin, eh. Baka tingin kung papalag si Ayon dito guys, 'pag si Ayon pumalag, 'pag pumalag si Ayon dito, magkaamunan na ng boxing, 'no? Boxing, 'wag lang bare knuckle, talagang wasak mukha nito 'pag naghamon 'to. Pero I don't think he's gonna go to that direction. Mahihirapan si Ayon, puwera na lang kung merong ibang sasalop in behalf of Champ Rolando D, kasi nga hindi naman siya puwedeng makipagbasagan ng bungo sa non-professional because he's a professional. But wait, doesn't have hindi, wala namang lisensyang bare knuckle dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Walang lisensya, walang lisensya dito sa bare knuckle sa Pilipinas. Oh, so malamang puwede patu-patulan ni Champ 'pag eto, hindi ko naman sinabi na magkakaroon, pero what I'm trying to say is kung papalag o kung maghahamon si Ayon. Kung maghahamon si Ayon ng suntukan, sino ba naman siya kung aatrasan, 'di ba? Pero wala pa naman, nagtatanong lang si Champ dito. Ano lang 'to, tinatanong niya yung community ni Champ, 'no, kung saan ba ang tama at mali dito. So chine-check niya, meron din nag-ano, sumasagot ng mali daw yung kay Apo tsaka Chad, mas moral pa ito kay kay Vice at tsaka Ayon. Well, anyway, that's all for now guys, 'no. For me, I don't agree that it is morally right yung relation nila Vice at Ayon because of what I believe. No, ako like I said, the same with Champ, I hindi ako mahihiya sa paniniwala ko, and I always say it to the public what I want to say about my faith. And, I don't agree. And a lot of woke and kakamping that actually saying that is morally wrong about Chad and Apple, 'no, double standard kayo, alright? So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and follow and share this video, guys, for more sports, politics, showbiz update, 'no? Once again, this is Bisho Shante, guys. Thank you so much and, have a great day. Bye for now.